Hello everyone, hello my lovely students of grade 2. Today and in this video, we will make revision for your exam. Don't be worried, your exam is so easy. Just follow my instructions here in this video and come with me and give me your attention in each step. Are you ready to go? Let's go. Okay, the first step, bring your book, your textbook. And as you know, if we look at our cover material, we will find our exam will be in chapter 5 and chapter 4. Okay, as you know, chapter 4, all the chapter talk about addition. And what about chapter 5? Chapter 5 talk about subtraction. And both of them, addition of two-digit number and subtraction of two-digit number. Well, so first of all, we need to talk about two-digit numbers a little. I need you to know in two-digit numbers we have two places. For example, number 23. Here we have two places, ones and tens. Where is ones? Ones here. In your right hand, ones. What about tens? Tens in your left hand. Here we have tens. So this number, if we divide it like this, we can find 2 tens and 3 ones. And also I want you to know 2 tens mean 20. This will help us in solution, especially in mental maths. And 3 equal 3. Okay, now we know where the place is, where ones and tens, and we know the values, the place value. Okay, teacher. Let's go in chapter 4. Chapter 4, as I tell you, talk about addition. First, we have lesson 1. Let's look at lesson 1. Open your book. Page 155. 155. The first lesson took about how to add ones and tens. Okay. Here, easily, we have steps of addition. What are the first step? Start with ones. I'm sure all of you are smart and remember that. Then, the second step, let me make conclusion. As you know, we have two types of addition. Addition with the grouping and addition without regrouping. I know this lesson without regrouping, but I need to make conclusion of all. Okay? So the steps of all addition problems, the first one start with ones. Then you will have some notes after adding ones. What are these notes, teacher? If you find the sum of ones is less than or equal 9, so no need to regroup. Now we will add without regrouping. But if you find the sum of ones greater than 9, here in this case we will regroup. And I will tell you after a few minutes how to regroup. Then the third step, add tens. So we start with ones, then the sum of ones. We will make you go in 2 steps. What are they? Maybe you will regroup or no regrouping. When we regroup and when no, we regroup if we find the sum more than 9. More than 9 mean we have 2 digits starting from 10, 11, 12 and so on. Here 2 digits. We can't put 2 digits in one place. I will tell you in the regrouping lesson. Okay, then you can end with tens. Example. Let's look at example from your book. Here, from this page, for example, look at number 5. Number 5, here we add 22 plus 62. What will I do? I will start from ones. Don't forget. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then 2 plus 6 equals 8. Here, I add 2-digit number without regrouping. Why without regrouping? First, when I start with ones, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 is less than 9. So, without regrouping. Okay, all of you agree with me now? And this lesson, the first lesson, talk about that. Talk about addition without regrouping. Okay, let's see the second lesson with us. Lesson number 2. Still with me in your book. Lesson number 2, talking about mental mass. Here, we will not use our pencil. We will use our brain, mental. Let's see how this happens. For example, we need to add 23 plus 2. Look, all of you look here. The first number, 2 digits. Ones and tens. The second number, only 1 digit. Ones. This means now I need to add ones only. I will add more on ones only. And tens will still the same. So, I will count 2 more after 3. Or, I will count 2 more after 23. So, in my mind, I will count after 23, 24, 25. So, the answer will be 25. Without using pencil. But if we use our pencil, we will start from ones. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and then end with tens. 2 plus 0 equals 2. We don't need that. Here, mental mass. Addition mean count on. So now you will count on. Let's see after this, what is the next step? The next step, we will look the number we add. Ones or 1-digit number only or 2-digit number ones and tens. Here we have ones only. So I will count on by ones. I will count on by 2. Understand? Okay, let's see another example. If I add 23 but plus 20. What is the difference from the last example? Here I add 20, 2 tens. This means here I will add 2 on tens, not in ones. So in the first example, I add 2 on ones. Here I will add 2 on tens. Why? Because I add 20, if you remember. In this example here, I tell you here 2 tens mean 20. So let's add or let's count on by tens. So who will increase now? Tens. Ones is still the same. So let's count 2 tens more after 23. So it will be 33, 43. Wow. Here, tens change. And ones the same. 3. Here who change? One to change. And tens the same. So let me put some steps for you to solve the mental problems. The first step, because you will find mental problems in addition and subtraction also. So the first step, look at the sign. Here, plus mean you will count on. To remember count on mean you will count forward. Go on. Do the biggest. Increase the numbers. Okay. Now I know I will count on. Okay, the next step, I will think. I will count on by tens or by ones. So I will look at the second addend. If I find the second addend one digit or number in ones place, once only, this means I will count on by ones. Okay, if I find it 2 digits, like 20, 30, 40, 50, and don't forget, ones is 0. So this means I will add the number that I find here in tens. So I will count on by tens. I think it's clear now. So let's solve a problem. For example, number 1 here. You have 4 numbers, 6, 16, 26, and 36. And we need to add 2. How to do it with mental math? We will write series like this. How to do it with mental math? Put 6 in your mind. I will add 2. I will add mean count on. Then number 2. 2 means I will count on by ones. 2 here once. 1 digit number. So let's start from 6. Count on by 2. After 6, 7, 8. 16. After 16, 17, 18. 26. After 26, 27, 28. 36. After 36, 37, 38. Now we do all of them very quickly with mental math. This example for adding ones. Let's talk about another example. Another example, if we start, look at number 4, 13, 23, 33, 43, and I need to add 20. So what I will do, who will it change now? 20. 2-digit number, so tens will change by 2 tens. So let's count by 2 tens. Add 2 on tens only, and ones is still the same. So let's start from 13. So 3 still the same, and I will add 2 here, so it will be 33. Or I will count 2 tens after 13. After 13, 23, 33. Okay, Then 23, 33, 43. Then 33, 43, 53. Then 43, 53, 63. Understand? I think now it's so clear. Let's move to another point. The next lesson will be lesson 6. The next lesson will be lesson 6. Let's see. Now open your book at page 165. Here we will talk about regrouping. How to regroup. First, let me tell you when we regroup. We regroup if you find the sum of ones greater than 9. Agreed with this point? Okay. This means two-digit number, we have ones and tens. We can't put ones and tens in one's place only. So we need to regroup that. Okay, and also keep in your mind each 10 ones equal 1 10. So let's see example. 28 plus 23. That's example from your book. 8 plus 3. As I tell you, we start from where? We start from ones. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Can I put all 11 here in one's place? Of course, this is wrong. So I will regroup. How to regroup? Look at 11. 11, we have two-digit numbers. 1 in ones and 1 tens. So what I will put here in ones place? Of course, ones. I will take ones from this number or from the sum and put it here. 1. And then what about 110? Where it will go? It will go 2 tens. So I will take 1 here and put it with tens place. Up. Carry it and put it up. Okay? Then end your addition with tens. Normally, I will add tens now. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the sum will be 51. Another example. 36 plus 36. This is also from your book. What I will do here, I will start from ones. 6 plus 6 equals 12. More than 9 in two-digit numbers. So I will regroup. How to regroup in addition? Look at the number. Ones and tens. Take the number in ones. 2. Put it here in ones, please. And to carry tens number. 1. Put it here in tens, please. Then finish adding tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the sum will be 72. I think it will be so easy and you solve many and many exercises with me. Then the next lesson, lesson 8. Let's see where is lesson 8. Move in your book with me. Here we can find lesson 8. Lesson 8 was titled Rewrite Two-Digit Addition. Rewrite. What is the meaning of rewrite? First, I want to remind you with something. When we write addition sentence or subtraction sentence, we have two ways to write them. Maybe vertical, and vertical mean numbers above each other. For example, if I add 2 plus 3 equals 5. This way, vertical. Numbers above each other, as you see here. Okay, what about the second way? This is the first way. What about the second way? The second way, horizontal. What is the horizontal? Horizontal is to write the numbers beside each other. So 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, no problem, equals 5. Here I write them beside each other. Okay, in the last exercises, all of them, as you see here, all of them numbers above each other, vertical. So if I put a problem for you in the exam and I put the numbers beside each other, what you will do like that. For example, 45 plus 26, the first example in your book. What you will do here to make it easy for you, we will rewrite. Why we need to rewrite, teacher? We rewrite to put ones together and tens together to make it easy for us to do addition. As you, when you start doing addition, we add ones, then you add tens. Maybe if we add them like this way, you will confuse between where is ones and where is tens. So let's rewrite them. First, we need to know where is ones and where is tens. I tell you, ones from your right hand, tens from your left hand. So look at the first number. Let's make it here ones and here tens. Where is ones here? 5. And where is tens? 4. Excellent. Here, where is ones? 6. Where is tens? 2. Now we are ready to add. Start from where? Start from ones. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Can I put all 11? No. So I will regroup. 1 here and 1 up. Then add tens. 1 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 7. You understand? So this lesson is so important. How to rewrite. Another example. If I give you 25 plus 8. How to solve this? Let's put them in vertical way. 25 plus 8. Where I will put 8? One digit number. One digit number, this mean in ones place. So I will put it here, down 5, down ones. You should to know here ones and here tens. Let's add 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. So 13. 2 digit, more than 9. So I will regroup. I will put 3 here in ones place and carry 1 to tens place. Now 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the sum will be 33. So easy. Let's see the last lesson in this chapter, lesson 9. Look, where is lesson 9? Here. 3 add-ins. All the last examples, we add 2 add-ins. How to add 3 add-ins? Look, let's explain with example. Look at the first example in your book. 34 plus 21 plus 38. What will I do? The same like you do in the normal addition problems with 2-digit numbers, with 2 add-ins. So I will start here from ones. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Can I put all 13? No, I will regroup. So I will put 3 here and carry 1 up to tens. Now finish your addition problem with adding tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So it will be 93. So here you need to know when you add 2 add-ins, It's the same you add 3 addends. It's the same you add 4 addends. Just follow the steps. Start with ones and end with tens. And don't forget when you need to regroup and when you don't need to regroup. Okay, this is about this chapter. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter 5, which talk about subtraction. Look at lesson 1. Let me move, and also you move in your book like me. Lesson 1, you will find it in page 195 and 196 with title Subtract Tens and Ones. Here we will subtract. Okay, what is the difference between subtraction and addition? In the meaning, addition means you add more. You have a small number or you have a number and you increase it, you add more. Okay, what about subtraction? Subtraction, you have a big number, you have the whole number now, and you take a part from it. Okay, this is in the meaning. What about signs? Addition sign is plus, you know. I sure you know. And subtraction sign is minus. Okay, what about or how to do it? The same steps. We start with ones and then finish with tens. Don't forget that. Important. All the time, even in addition or subtraction, you start from ones. So let's talk about example here to understand more. Look at your book at example number 3 here. 59 minus 14. How to do it? I will start from ones. 9 minus 4. Keep in your mind, boys, addition you count on, subtraction you count back. This means you will take away 4 from 9. It's so easy, you know that from grade 1. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then finish with tens. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So the next thing I want you to know, the result of addition called sum. And the result of subtraction called difference. Important. So now I find the difference. The difference between 59 and 14 is 45. Don't forget this point, please. Okay. Also, in subtraction, we do regrouping, teacher? Of course, yes. And I will tell you when we need to do regrouping. So here we do subtraction without regrouping. Another example for subtraction without regrouping. 77 minus 36. Example number 4. Start from ones. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Then end with tens. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So the difference will be 41. I think it's so easy. Let's look at lesson 2. The next one. And lesson 2 is titled Mental Mess. If you remember, mental mess, in addition, the same way we will do. But what is the difference? This difference is so important. I tell you, addition mean you count on. You increase the numbers. You go to the biggest. But what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction mean you count back. You go to the smallest. You go backward. Okay? So now in subtraction, keep in your mind, if you see sign minus, you will count back. Then look, you will count back by ones or tens, the same like addition. So let's take examples. Example number 2, 63, 64, 65, and 66. Here we will subtract 3. How to do it? Subtract mean I will count back. By what? By 3. By 3, this mean who will change? 3, one digit number. This mean once change. Once. So let's go back 3. Look at 63. Let's go back only 3. So 62, 61, 60. So it will be 60. Then 64. Let's go 3 back. So it will be back. 63, 62, 61. Then 65. Count back by 3. So 64, 63, 62. Then 63, I will go 3 back. 65, 64, 63. You understand? So now I go 3 back. I count 3 back. This means I subtract 3 with mental math. It's so easy, I think that. The difference, only the one difference between addition and subtraction, to know addition you count on and subtraction you count back. Then normally look at the second number if you will add or subtract once only or tens. Let's take an example on tens. Example number 7. 98, 88, 78, and 68. Here I need to subtract 40. Look here, 40 is 2-digit number and once is 0. So who will it change? Tens will change. We will count back by tens. We will count back by 40. So let's see, start from 98. Let's go 40 back. So I will change tens now. So it will be 88, 78, 68, 58. Now I do it with mental math. The next one, 88. I will go 40, 4 tens back. So it will be 78, 68, 58, 48. The next one, 78, go 40 back. So it will be 68, 58, 48, 38. The last one, 68, I will go 40, 4 tens back. So it will be 58, 48, 38, 28. I think it's so easy, even with addition and with subtraction. Let's move to the next one. The next one, lesson 6. Let's see lesson 6. Move in your book with me. Lesson 6 talk about how we regroup in subtraction and when we regroup in subtraction. It's so important. So look here with me and also keep in your mind each one 10 equals 10 ones. Important. Okay, let's see example. We will start adding with example number 3. Subtract with example number 3. 78 minus 49. From here we start subtracting from ones. Let's subtract 8 minus 9. Uh-oh, how to do this? This is impossible. Imagine that you have 8 stars. Can I take away 9 from them? Impossible. This is impossible. How this happen? 9 greater than 8. So I can't take a biggest number from a small number. This is impossible. So what I will do here in this case, if I have ones of second number is bigger than ones from the first number, I will do regrouping. How to regroup in subtraction? I will go to tens and knock the door like neighbors. Ask here to give you 110. Please, tens, give me 110. I can subtract, so help me. So now I will go to 7 and ask here, give me 110, please, 7. If I take away 1 from 7, now 7 will be 6. Change it, it will be 6. What about 18 now? What about 8? Now I will come back with 110 to 8. What happened to 8 now? 8 now will be 18. And I add 10 more. 110 equals 10 ones. Now I am in ones place and the 110 that I have now equal 10 ones. So now 8 will be 18. So now you can subtract. 18 minus 9. 18 now greater than 9. So easy, you can take away 9 from 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And then finish with tens. Normally, 6 minus 4 equals 2. So now you need to regroup when you find the ones of the second number, or in the part you take away, is greater than the ones in the whole number. So you can't take away biggest number from a smallest one. So in this case, you need to regroup. Another example. $53 minus 45. I will subtract. Start from ones. 3 minus 5. This is impossible. Why impossible? As 5 is greater than 3. So I can't take away 5 from 3. This is impossible. So I will regroup before subtracting. How to regroup? Go to 5. Ask here to give you 110. So now 5 would be 4. And 3 will be 13. After adding 110, 10 ones. So now 13 minus 5 equals, oh no, 13 minus 5 equals 8. Then 4 minus 4 equals 0. No need to write 0 on the left. So it will be 8. Let's go to the next lesson. The next lesson is number 8. Let's look at it. Rewrite. here we need to rewrite two-digit subtraction. This means I will rewrite the same in addition. Why I need to rewrite? I need here to rewrite, to put tens together and ones together. For example, if I have 80 minus 26, remember with me how to write. I will put 80, start with 80, minus the second number, put ones down ones, and tens down tens. Then you can subtract. Let's subtract. 0 minus 6, possible? No, impossible. So I will regroup. 8 will be 7, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So the difference would be 54. The next lesson and the last one, 11. With title Chain Operations. What is the meaning chain operation? This means you have 3 addends or 4 addends and so on, and you have 2 signs between them. It's different from add 3 addends. At 3 addends, all the sign plus. But here in the chain operation, we have plus and minus. We will do subtraction and addition, so we need to focus on signs. Look carefully. You will subtract or you will add. This is important. So let's explain with example. Look at example number 1. 68 plus 10 minus 3. And maybe all the time here you can use mental math also. Look here. If you see, we have 2 signs here. We have plus and then minus. So which one we will start with? All the time in chain operation, start with the first 2 numbers. So I will start adding here. 68 plus 10. 68 plus 10 equals, I add 10, so I will count 1 10 more, so it will be 78. Then put minus down, minus and the second number, minus 3 equals, then minus, I will take away 3. This means I will go 3 back. So it will be 77, 76, 75. This is the answer. Another example. Then another example, the next one, 35 minus 4 plus 10 equals, now what I will do, I will start with the first 2 numbers. 35 minus 4. Minus 4, this means I will go 4 back. So it will be 34, 33, 32, 31. This is the difference between these 2 numbers. Then put plus down. Plus 10 equals, now 31 plus 10. This means I will add 1 10 more. So 31 will be 41. And this is the answer. Okay, now look here at the last of the next page, page 218. Here we have chain operation, but we have a triangle and we have a missed number and we need to find this missing number. Look how to find it. Okay, the last question in this lesson, took here in page 218. Here, mental math. Also chain operation, but we missed number. and we not the sum and not the difference, not the results. We made the number inside the exercise, so we need to find this. So for example, all of you look here. The first one, 50 plus 30 minus what? This triangle. You need to find this triangle equal 77. So here we don't need to find the result. The result already here. We need to find this number. How to find it? Start the same with the first two numbers, and the first operation. The first operation here, addition between 50 and 30. 50 and 30, this means I will add 3 tenths. So it will be 80. 80 minus what? Equals 77. Minus, this means I will go back. Count back. How many numbers or how many steps I will go back to reach 77? Now go back with me. Go back. Put 80 in your mind and go back. It will be 79, 78, 77. So I go 3 back. So the triangle equals 3 back. Understand? Okay, all this mental math. Another example, the next example, or example number 22. Number 22, first we have 90 plus 3 minus triangle equals 34. How to do it? How to do this one? I will first add. So 90 plus 3, this means I will add 3 more. Where? On ones. So it will be 91, 92, 93. 93 minus the triangle, the number we don't know. We need to know this number. Equal 43. How to find this number? Keep in your mind. What is the numbers that if I go back from 93, I will stop at 43. So I will put now 93 in my mind and then subtract mean I will go back. Let's go back and stop at 43. So 83, 73, 63, 53, and 43. So I will go back 5. But 5 what? 5 tenths. Tenths change. Not once. Once is still 3. So 5 tenths mean I go back 50. The triangle equals 50. Important. Another example and the last one, 24. 65 plus 2 minus the triangle equal 37. How to do it? Start adding the first numbers. Between them add. So add 2, this means I will count on by 2. So 66, 67. Okay, minus the number that we don't know equal 37. Okay, look who changed tenths. Tenths change and ones still the same. So I will go back, as we have here subtraction, go back by tenths. 67, go back by tenths and stop at 37. So 57, 47, 37. I go 3 tenths back. 3/10 equals 30. So the triangle will be 30. Let's make sure. 67 minus 30 equal, yes, 37, as I go 3/10 back. Now, I hope all of you understand, and I hope this revision will be benefit for you. And good luck for all of you. I love all of you so much. Really. Good luck. And as I tell you, don't be worried about your exam. It's so easy. I love you. Bye-bye.